Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix there was a problem with the NVIDIA app, so let's start. So I give you two tips to fix it. So the first tip is going to the settings bar and then let's go to devices manager. Okay, in this case my computer is in Spanish, so I will write in Spanish. Okay, then just click here on display adapters. In this case, I don't have NVIDIA installed, so I don't have it. But if you have NVIDIA here, just click on the right and then just click on update. So when you update this display, probably this will fix it. The other tip I give you, it's going again to the search bar and then let's go to apps. Okay, so let's go to apps and then here you will looking for NVIDIA. In this case, well, I will use whatever app because I don't have it. So in this case, I will use, for example, I will use Firefox. Just click here and then just install. When you install the app NVIDIA here, then let's go to the official page that says nvidia.com. Here, download NVIDIA once again and install it. Probably with this, you will fix the problem with NVIDIA because this will refresh completely.